Ban pynsngewthuh Paidbah ye Jingma na jingpang HIV Aids ka Meghalaya Aids Control Society MACS kan rakhe ke International Youth Day arhajar arpusaw ha ka khat Tarik Nailar ha Soso Tham Auditorium halor ka Phang Youth Digital Pathways for Sustainable Development da ka National AIDS Control Organization NACO ha ka baroh kawei bat ha Meghalaya and pyniaid da ka Meghalaya Aids Control Society. Kaloong baka jingrakhe ya kini ke program kedai ke bala pyniaid ha baroh kawei keri India daka NACO ban pynkhlain bat pynskhem ya ke imlang sahlang. Ha kajuh Khubor ban lait na ke jingsaphriang jong kini ke jingpang ke bala sedang ban kenrei ha kini ke juk mentah kala penkut.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Of course, like what Madam said, this campaign will be launched on the 12th of August, that's on Monday. Besides the formal program, we'll also be having a rally which will be backed up by the Chief Guest as well. So this rally is not just like specifically on the 12th of August, but we'll be doing it like, at the district, at all the districts as well. This is in order to inculcate more, to create more awareness on the topic of HIV and AIDS. Also, we'll be running a social media campaign, which is an 8-week campaign on the routes of transmission, then prevention methods, condom promotion. We'll be talking about sexually transmitted infections and other parts of the program. Besides the rally, social media campaign, we'll also be having special camps at government hospitals. These are all the districts. Basically, to provide free HIV, STI testing, counseling and treatment services, as well as slum interventions. Of course, in Meghalaya, we still don't have as much slums as comparatively as other cities in India. But looking at the numbers that we have right now, we have about 5 slum areas within Meghalaya. So we'll be targeting these slum populations as well. Besides that, we'll be having folk performances and flash mobs and all these for these 2 months period. We won't be having the folk performances and flash mobs for the straight 500 villages, but we'll be targeting it at the village level as well as semi-urban and urban areas. Besides, we'll be using medium of radio and TV as well to create more awareness. Of course, the main target during this campaign will also be the youth. So we'll be having a lot of awareness sessions in colleges and schools as well. And besides that, at the village level activity will be collaborating a lot with the district administration through the office of the BDOs as well, to target the villages of these villages that we're going to be targeting. We'll also be having school outreach programs, and also will be targeting all the health and wellness centers, as well as IPC sessions during the village health sanitation and nutrition day. Besides, also disseminating information on HIV and STIs at all the wellness centers and villages through IEC materials. So for now, if you have any questions, Pareni.
Good afternoon all. At the outset, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the President, the General Secretary, and all members of Shillong Press Club for your prompt response to our call to hold this press conference today. Well, I am Dr. De'Cruse, Project Director of Meghalaya Aids Control Society, and with me are Dr. Phang. She is a Deputy Director Medical. Shri Ajoy Lamo, Deputy Director who's looking after IEC and mainstreaming. Shri John Wajri, Deputy Director of Lab Service. Shrimati Larina Nampur, Assistant Director for Youth. Shri Rapora Rani, Assistant Director for IEC. And Shri Kilan the store officer. So this press conference is called today to provide a comprehensive information to you about the intensified IEC campaign organized by the National AIDS Control Organization. It will be launched on the 12th of August on the occasion of the International Youth Day, which is at 0.21%, but there are 25.44 lakh people living with HIV in the country, and 18.06 lakhs are on treatment, that is on ART treatment. New HIV infection in the country this last year, that is to 23 to 24, is 68,450, coming closer in our state. Our adult HIV prevalence is higher than the national average, that is at 0.42%. Number of people living with HIV as of June 2024 is 9,130. Started on treatment, that is on ART, are 8,354. Those who are alive and on treatment are 6,250. And the new HIV infection for the year, that is for 2023 to 24, is 1,524. So these figures underscores the urgent need for intensified efforts to combat the HIV/AIDS epidemic. In order to enhance the knowledge levels of the general population, especially youth, and equip masses with correct information about HIV/AIDS across the state, and to ensure the success of the campaign, I request all of you to provide support by your active participation and media coverage throughout the duration of this campaign. For detailed information and the different activities to be carried out in the state, I will request Shri Ajoy Lano, our Deputy Director looking after